Good evening, everyone. Let's begin with few lines. कभी आंगन की रौनक थे, आज खामोश त्योहारों से बातें करते हैं। जिन हाथों ने हमें संभाला था, आज वही सहारे को तरसते हैं। We grew up holding their hands, and somewhere along the way, we let them go. So I want to ask you something. When was the last time you asked an elder for an advice? Not because you had to, not because they insisted, but because you truly needed their wisdom. For most of us, the answer is uncomfortable. This journey didn't begin with research, it began with a relationship. I have a former teacher of mine who now lives in an old age home in Chandigarh. She calls me sometimes, not because she needs help, but because she needs someone to talk to. And over time, those calls became longer. Not because I had more time, but because she had more to say. One day, she said something I can't forget. I have so much to say, but no one to ask. That sentence stayed with me. Because we live in a world where we can ask anything. We ask Google, we ask AI, we ask strangers on the internet. But the one place we don't ask is the people who have already lived through it. And this isn't just about one teacher. India today has over 138 million elderlies. Think about that number. It is larger than the entire population of many countries. Many of them are living in an old age home. We have solved for maintenance. We provide food, we provide safety, we provide medical care. We have become very good at sustaining the body. But through those conversations with her and the research that followed, I saw a different kind of hunger, what I call the poverty of purpose. Because dignity isn't just about having a roof over your head, it's about feeling relevant. I began looking into these spaces. In some, people argued over small things, the volume of the TV, the placement of a chair, but in others, everything was perfect, clean, good medical facilities, organized. But it felt like a hospital, not a home. In both kind of spaces, I saw the same thing. People who had lived entire lives as teachers, engineers, parents were being reduced to residents. We have designed a system that treats aging like a problem rather than a resource to be valued. We give them a bed, but we take away their why. And that is the poverty of purpose. The crushing feeling that you are no longer a part of the world you helped build. We don't have an aging problem, we have a perception problem. We see 138 million people as responsibilities to be cared for, but we forget there are 138 million people who have still so much to give. When someone retires, we often act as if their contribution has ended. But what we actually lose is their perspective, their instinct, their quiet understanding of how the world actually works, the kind of knowledge you cannot Google. And yet, we are letting this wisdom disappear quietly every single day. This realization is where my project Virasat Se Pucho was born. The idea was simple. What if we could change the architecture of these homes? Not by changing the walls, but by changing the values of the people inside them. What if we saw old age homes not as a place of neglect, but as living libraries of wisdom? Virasat Se Pucho, Ask the Legacy, is an attempt to bridge this gap. It is a platform where the curiosity meets the young, where the curiosity of the young meets the experience of the old, a space where real life question finds real life answers. But the goal isn't just to provide answers, it's to create an exchange. Because when an elder is asked to share their stories, something beautiful happens. The young person receives clarity, but the elder receives something even more powerful: significance. They are no longer waiting to pass the day, they are contributing. They are not being cared for, they are being needed. And slowly, the narrative begins to change. From they are alone to they are guiding us. From they are dependent to they are essential. Because dignity does not come from being taken care of, it comes from being valued. So today, I want to leave you with something simple. The next time you feel stuck, the next time you are looking for a way forward, don't just search. Ask. Ask your grandparents, ask an elder, ask someone who has lived longer than you. Because somewhere there is a voice waiting to be heard, a story waiting to be told, and a life to still make a difference. And maybe all it needs is your question. Your question. विरासत से पूछो, ask the legacy. Thank you.